How to get Onlyfans app on phone. First things first, if you go ahead and pull up your Google Play Store or any application store that you can use to download apps for your mobile device. Say for example, you search here for OnlyFans. So there is actually no OnlyFans available on Google Play Store and as well as iOS. But what you want to do is to use your preferred web browser on your mobile device. But on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now head into your search box and type in OnlyFans app APK. Now there's actually a lot of resources right here, but what you can do is you can either get from APK Pure or on Softonic. Then once you're here under APK Pure, you can scroll all the way down and either to choose a fast download with APK Pure or download directly only the APK itself. It's around 63.8 megabytes. So if you tap on download, just simply manually install it and make sure that all unknown sources files is turned on. Install it and log in as usual. That's it. That's how you get OnlyFans app on phone.